Hey guys, it's Charlotte the Challenger, and of course it's Victory Sunday, and I am just super excited about the new stuff that I have in the making for you guys. But I'm just coming with a message, and I'm just trying to make it fun and relatable to you guys. So hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. I'm calling this the Gifted Kit. And so with the next few episodes, just the Gifted Kit, right? Because I believe your gifts and talents will help you, motivate you, inspire others around you. And I just want you to live your best life and use your gift and know that you are one of a kind and that you are it. You are it. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy it. You guys, if you have a gift, activate it now. All right. Hope you enjoy. Who I am? Born on a Friday at 85. Born again on a Sunday in 2008. I'm not perfect yet, but I will never forget Psalms 82 and 6. I'm the one to activate your gift that you were sent here with. Not only will the people around you get healing, but you will also get healing and release the disease that's within. My gift is who I am. I am who I am, and I'm thankful that I am. Your gift is who you are too. You better recognize and activate and stop stumbling like you don't see it. You see it. My gift is who I am. I am love, peace, joy, and abundance. Here to activate you into action. You are necessary for a time such as this. You better recognize. And what you gonna do? What you gonna do?